Today we're going to talk about some tips on drilling holes in glass. I have my battery operated drill here with a 1/4 inch diamond bit, and I have a piece of scrap glass. The hardest part of getting a hole in the glass is starting it. When you fire up a drill, it's going to tend to try to wander all over the place. So I'm going to use this piece of scrap, which is actually a bottom of a bottle, to act as a template for drilling the real piece. Once I have a hole in this piece, then I can hold this on the finished piece and the drill will not rattle around as much and possibly damage the finished glass. I'm using here a pan of water in the sink. I have a towel on the bottom to help hold the piece, and about a 1/2 inch of water above the surface of the towel. With this scrap piece, I'm not going to worry about positioning it too much. I'm going to let the drill go where it goes. The key to getting started though is to tip the drill a little bit, hold it in one position, and then slowly tip it. There we have it, a hole in our template. Now we're going to drill the piece of our light fixture that we want. We've previously marked the location of the center of the hole. I've added some water in the pan so that the glass will still be about a 1/4 inch below the surface of the water. And I have my template that we previously built and drilled. I'm going to hold that template right over the center of the hole, and I'll insert the drill, make sure we're still setting exactly where we want, and then we'll hold the template down and drill the piece without having the drill wander. Once you've drilled part way, you can take the template off and put the drill directly in the hole. This will help you see how far you have left to drill. Check it. We're most of the way through, so I'll slow down and use lighter pressure to make sure I don't chip the backside coming out. And that's it, a perfectly drilled hole. By the way, you don't have to use a hand drill. Here at Renegade we have a really nice drill press setup, and it works like this. I let up every now and then to help clear the chips. And then at the end, just like before, I'm going to go with less pressure. There's your finished hole. From all of us at Renegade Art Glass, thanks for watching.